There was a time when no one took me seriously. I would speak, but people ignored me. I'd share my ideas, but no one cared. At first, I thought maybe I just wasn't smart enough. Maybe I needed to be funnier, louder, more likable. But then I realized the brutal truth. It wasn't what I was saying. It was how I was saying it. Weak words make a weak man. And when your words are weak, your presence is invisible. But today, that ends. I'm going to show you how to speak with power, how to say words that command attention, respect, and obedience. If you master this, people will listen, they will respect you, and most importantly, they will remember you. Number 1, cut the weakness from your words. I used to talk like most guys. I think I can, maybe I'll try. I'm not sure, but you know what this sounds like? Doubt, hesitation, weakness. A strong man doesn't think he will do something. He knows. He decides. He commands. Instead of saying, I think we should do this, say, we're doing this. Instead of, maybe I can help, say, I will help. Your words shape your reality. If you speak like a king, you will command like a king. Number 2, speak slower with control. You ever notice how powerful men speak? They don't rush. They don't fill the silence with nervous rambling. They take their time. Weak men rush their words because they're afraid of silence. Powerful men, they control the room with pauses. Next time you speak, slow down. Pause before key words. Let people feel the weight of your words. A weak man fights for attention. A strong man attracts it effortlessly. Number 3, remove neediness from your tone. I used to speak like I was asking for permission to exist. I'd say something, then look around to see if people approved. I'd laugh after my own sentences, hoping people would laugh too. That's weak. A powerful man states his words with certainty. If you have an opinion, own it. If you make a decision, stand by it. People respect men who don't need approval. And the second you stop seeking it, your words gain authority. Number 4, look people in the eye when you speak. You ever try talking to someone who won't look you in the eye? Feels like they don't even believe their own words. That used to be me. I'd avoid eye contact, mumble my words, and wonder why people didn't respect me. But a man who won't look you in the eye is a man who doesn't own his words. Try this. Next time you say something important, lock eyes and hold it for 3 seconds. You'll notice something. People listen more. People respect you more. Why? Because a man who isn't afraid to be seen isn't afraid to be heard. Number 5, match your words with actions. I used to make big promises. I'm going to change my life. I'm going to start working out. I'm going to make money, but I never backed it up. And the more I spoke without action, the weaker my words became. If you say you're going to do something, do it. If you set a boundary, enforce it. Because a man whose words and actions don't align is just another liar. And no one respects a liar. I know what it's like to feel unheard. I know what it's like to feel invisible in a room. But I also know that the second you start speaking like a man, people will listen. 1, cut weak words. Speak with certainty. 2, speak slower. Command attention. 3, remove neediness. Own your words. 4, look people in the eye. Show dominance. Match words with actions. Earn respect. If you master these, people won't just hear you, they'll follow you. Now tell me, are you ready to become that man? Until next time.